we're gonna have a Nerf shooting competition. Let's go!
Alright, we're gonna have us a Nerf gun shooting competition. The top triangle is 1 point. The second triangle is worth 2 points. Dinosaur, Lego, and Hulk are worth 2 points. And the buckets on the bottom are worth 1 point. So if we have any leftover bullets, we're gonna use 19 bullets. Any leftover bullets are a 3-point bonus. 3-point bonus. We're gonna start from this line right here, and then whoever has the least amount of points is going to be eliminated. Then we're going to shoot from the couch for the finale. Whoever wins that round wins the championship.
Yeah!
Alright?
Yeah. Alright, we're going to go youngest to oldest. Person with the lowest points is out. Alright, go Tony. Oh, that counts. You hit it. I seen you hit it. You already hit that one, Tony. Go to the next target. Good job. Oh, you hit the Legos. Legos are down. All you got left is Dinosaur, Hulk, and Bucket. I think you're empty, dude. You're gonna have to reload. Over there, bullets over there. Hurry up, reload. You're going for Dinosaur, Hulk, and bottom bucket. That's all you got left. Tony, all you got left is the Dinosaur, Hulk, and bottom bucket. The Hulk's gone. Dinosaur, bucket. You got the buckets on the bottom. Buckets on the bottom, that's all you got left. Alright, change bullets, change bullets. Alright, all you got left is the buckets. Yeah, you did. Now watch them. Reload, come on. Is that it?
Alright, Tony got all the 11 points from the course. Then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets left. So 15 more points. Alright, Tony, how you feel about your 26 points?
Great.
Great. You think you're going to stay for the next round?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see.
Gonna beat that.
Here we go. I'm going to set it back up and get JoJo rolling.
First shot's a miss. It hit Hulk. Alright, Hulk's gone. Good shot. He hit it. I seen the cup move. Yep. Yeah, reload. Are we counting the bounce off the wall, Tony? Yeah. Okay, well, Dinosaur's gone. You gotta get the Lego in the 2 buckets. Making rules as we're going on. Shooting too high. Got it. Bucket. Too high. Too high. Oh, you're getting low on bullets. Tony had 5 left over. Just trying to one load at a time technique. Got 1 target left. He's only got 1 left. Uh-huh.
No.
JoJo only had 4 bullets left, so he's in second place with 21. Tony's sitting on top with 26. Alright, Sissy, you ready to go?
Yes.
All you gotta do is beat 21 to move on to the next round. Alright, go ahead. Nice shot.
Good job, Sissy.
He's 1 for 1.
Go. Aim a little bit lower. Oh, that was almost hit just to the right of it. You hit it. Reload. I think you got a bullet. Make sure you push them all the way in, sissy. They'll get stuck if you don't. Alright, take your time. Aim a little lower than what you normally do. Aim a little lower. JoJo said you already got the cup. Aim for the Legos and the dinosaurs. Make sure all the bullets are pushed in all the way. Sissy, when you hold the gun, make sure it's not on the orange. There you go. What are you shooting at? Yeah, aim lower. Dip that nose down a little bit. There you go, you hit it. Don't hold the trigger when you pull it back, sissy. Now put the bullet right where you want to shoot. Now just aim at the dinosaur. Alright, hold. Reload. And a little bit lower. A little bit lower. I still gotta go. Okay, here we go. Yeah. 3 points. You sure for that one? Oh, man, that was good. That Hulk. We needed the dinosaur and the buckets. No, we already have one bucket. So, bucket and dinosaur. I think you got him in the
Got him
yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh.
Alright.
She's not in the finale. No, I'm not in the finale.
I had 8 extra bullets. So I got 33 points. Ellie is eliminated. And we're going to start the finale shooting from the couch. Alright, me, JoJo, and Tony made it to the finale. This time, we're going to start off with a clean slate, but JoJo has to go first because he had the lowest points with 21.
Yay.
Tony had 25. I had 33.
I had 26.
Oh yeah, 26. I had 33. Alright, you ready, JoJo? Alright, go. Alright, go, JoJo.
Nice, hit it, alright. Just to make sure, go ahead. Nice, hit it. Yeah, onto Lego. Got Legos, Hulk Smash, and buckets left. Hurry up. Reload. Reload. Back up, Tony. He's got to hit the buckets and Hulk. Tony!
Alright, JoJo only had 4 extra bullets again, so he had 21. Tony, from the couch, you're already cheating.
Oh.
Oh, Tony's starting off bad. There you go. First target down. Oh, you got the bullet. Tony's struggling this round. He started off so hot. There you go, you got it. You got Legos, dinosaur, Hulk, bucket. No, I don't think I hit it. Bucket's down. So you got 1 bucket, Hulk, dinosaur, Lego. Pretty close. How's he shooting? Quick, just let him shoot. Uh-oh, I think Tony's not gonna win this round. What do you hit? Bucket or Hulk? Hulk and 1 bucket. He hit the dinosaur just for luck. Come on. You're taking forever this time. Bucket. You already hit Hulk? How's it dead? Maybe you should reload more than 1 bullet at a time. Uh-oh. I mean, you're already eliminated. Go. 1 more bullet to finish the course. Can he hit the Hulk with his last shot? Got him. Alright, put it on the targets. Alright, here we go. Last round, see if I can win this. Yes. Alright. Hit it. Count. 1 point. Got the Lego. 3 points. Did you hit it? No. Both, you win. You got that one, but I didn't. Oh. Dinosaur right here for the tie.
You win.
JoJo wins.
Judson wins. On the shooting competition until next time. Goodbye.